Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best manual airbrush is probably one of the most versatile and accessible tools for anyone looking to add a professional touch to their crafts, from intricate cake decorating and detailed makeup application to custom art projects and even temporary body art, offering a level of control and precision that can elevate any creative endeavor without the need for complex machinery or extensive training, making it an ideal choice for hobbyists and aspiring professionals alike seeking to explore the world of airbrushing with ease and affordability. Number 5. Master Airbrush G233 Performance Pro Airbrush Kit. Introducing the Master Airbrush G233 Performance Pro. This versatile tool is designed to help you bring your artistic visions to life with precision and ease. Equipped with 3 nozzle sets, it adapts to your needs, from ultrafine details to broader strokes. Achieve the perfect spray pattern every time. Whether you're a beginner, student, or seasoned professional, this airbrush is an excellent choice. It handles most paint types and is ideal for a wide range of applications. Enjoy smooth trigger adjustment and easy paint flow control with its fluid control knob. The cutaway handle also allows for quick and simple cleaning. This kit includes everything you need, plus a quick disconnect coupler with airflow control. It's backed by a trusted brand with a 2-year manufacturer warranty for your peace of mind. Trust in Master Airbrush, a leader in airbrush supplies. We are dedicated to your satisfaction, ensuring a hassle-free experience with every purchase. What we like. This airbrush offers incredible versatility with multiple nozzle sizes included, perfect for detailed work or broader coverage. Its dual-action trigger provides excellent control over paint flow. If you're looking for an all-around performer that can handle a wide range of applications from fine art to cake decorating, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The airbrush is easy to use and control. It comes with a variety of nozzle sizes for different applications. The spray pattern is consistent and even. Number 4. Master Airbrush Portable Airbrush Spray Booth Kit. Experience efficient ventilation with our powerful dual exhaust fans. They provide excellent airflow, effectively removing unwanted particles and vapors from your workspace. Work with ease thanks to the 4 built-in LED lights that illuminate your project. The integrated revolving turntable allows for convenient access to all surfaces. Our extended exhaust system includes a hose that can reach up to 6 feet. Its narrow end piece is designed for easy ventilation through window or door gaps. It features a high-density filter for efficient particle extraction. Plus, it's portable and disassembles quickly for easy storage or transport. This versatile booth is perfect for a wide range of projects. Use it for painting models, crafts, cakes, ceramics, and other small DIY items. What we like. This spray booth ensures a clean and well-lit workspace with its powerful dual fans and bright LED lights. The portable and easy-to-assemble design makes it ideal for any space. If you need to control fumes and particles effectively for your projects, especially in smaller areas or if you move your setup frequently, this booth is a must-have. What people say. The airbrush is easy to use and produces a fine mist. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold for extended periods. It comes with multiple nozzle sizes, allowing for different spray patterns. Number 3. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Airbrush Kit. Introducing the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2, a comprehensive airbrushing system designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need to get started. Experience superior performance with its powerful 1.5 HP compressor. Featuring dual cooling fans, it runs cooler for longer continuous use without overheating, ensuring reliability. This kit includes 3 versatile airbrushes, a dual-action gravity feed model for detailed work, another dual-action gravity feed for finer lines, and a single-action siphon feed for broader coverage. From hobbies and crafts to temporary tattoos and fine art, these airbrushes are perfect for a wide range of applications. They work excellently with most paints and spray media. You'll also receive bonus accessories including a quick start guide, color mixing wheel, cleaning brushes, and a dual airbrush holder, making your airbrushing experience seamless. Trust in a brand dedicated to your satisfaction. We ensure a hassle-free experience so you can focus on your art. What we like. This comprehensive kit comes with 3 different airbrushes, offering a solution for nearly any task, and a powerful, cool-running compressor for extended use. The included holder keeps your tools organized and accessible. If you're a beginner or an enthusiast who wants a complete, reliable system with multiple airbrush options right out of the box, this package is perfect for you. What people say. This airbrush is very easy to use and clean. The spray pattern is consistent and controllable, allowing for fine detail work. It comes with multiple nozzle sizes, which is great for different applications. Number 2. Master Airbrush TC320 Air Compressor Kit. Introducing the Master Airbrush TC320, a powerful 15 HP air compressor designed for serious airbrushing. Experience high performance and long-lasting use thanks to its innovative cooling system. With dual cooling fans, this compressor runs cooler for extended periods without overheating. Its design ensures a long duty cycle and a lifespan that keeps up with your projects. Achieve perfect results with precise air adjustment and clean, dry air. The integrated regulator with gauge and water trap filter ensure optimal performance every time. This unit includes a holder for 2 airbrushes and a convenient air hose. It's maintenance-free, oil-less, and operates super quietly for a comfortable working environment. Take your creativity anywhere with this portable and lightweight compressor. Its air-on-demand system automatically shuts off when not in use, saving energy and ensuring safety. Enjoy professional-grade power with effortless operation. The automatic on-off shut-off and adjustable pressure range from 0 to 57 psi make it versatile for any task. What we like. This compressor provides a stable and quiet air supply, essential for detailed airbrushing. Its precise regulator and water trap ensure clean, dry air for optimal results. If you value a low-noise environment, need consistent air pressure, and want a low-maintenance unit for serious airbrushing, this compressor is an excellent investment. What people say. The airbrush is easy to assemble and use, making it a great option for beginners. It comes with multiple nozzle sizes, allowing for a variety of spray patterns and applications. The durable construction ensures longevity, even with frequent use. Number 1. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Dual Fan System. Introducing the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2, a professional multi-purpose airbrushing system designed for ultimate creativity. It comes with 3 of our best-selling airbrushes and a quick start guide. Experience superior performance with its powerful 15 horsepower compressor. Equipped with dual cooling fans, it runs cooler for extended, continuous use without overheating. This kit includes 3 versatile airbrushes, 2 dual-action gravity feed models with 0.2 mm and 0.3 mm tips, and a single-action siphon feed model with a 0.8 mm tip. Ideal for hobbies, crafts, auto graphics, temporary tattoos, cake decorating, fine art, and nail art. It works excellently with most airbrushing applications and paint media. The system includes an airbrush holder for 2 airbrushes and access to our Airbrush Resource Center. Everything you need to get started is right here. Trust in a brand dedicated to your satisfaction. We ensure a hassle-free experience, so you can focus on your art. What we like. This system bundles 3 versatile airbrushes with a high-performance, cool-running compressor, allowing for extended, uninterrupted work sessions. It's designed for users who need flexibility and reliability. If you're looking for a complete airbrushing solution that can handle diverse projects and offers long-term performance without overheating, this kit is an outstanding option. What people say. This airbrush is easy to use and produces a fine mist. The airbrush has a comfortable grip and is well balanced. It comes with multiple nozzle sizes, allowing for different spray patterns. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.